the dynamic, workaholic, pragmatic, the indispensable governor of Plateau State, Barrister Bassa Local, for making this a reality, because of the fact that the health sector is undergoing a complete overhaul because of his commitment and a lot that he has been doing. I mean, the Plateau State Specialist Hospital is the only tertiary health facility that we have, and so it's the highest referral center that we have in the state, and this necessitates the need for this, and indeed it's strategic because of the care that comes from there, upcoming training, even with the plans that are coming from Plateau State University. And importantly is the fact that Plateau State will soon be the center for medical tourism. This is the reason why even the Plateau State Drugs and Medical Commodities Management Agency has made it necessary to identify the good works Plateau State Specialist Hospital has been doing under the able leadership of Professor Christopher Samuel. Don't mind the size, but mind the output. He's doing a very fantastic job, and we call him to keep it up. A few weeks ago, we called Plateau State Specialist Hospital to participate in the design of the essential medicine list for the state. It became very necessary because we discovered that our people have been passing through terrible times, taking medications that are not safe. I give you a very quick example. I remembered one sample of ethyl, okay, I shouldn't mention it, but one particular drug that we saw. Something very terrible happened to that drug. We discovered that a couple of people were dying because of that particular medication. And that was actually reported because of the participation of a few of our colleagues who were in the hospital. And then upon taking it to the lab, do you know what we saw? We found out that that drug didn't dissolve at all after 48 hours of mimicking the physiological system. That became something to worry about. And that is the reason why, again, in our pharma grade warehouse that was commissioned in September 10th, we have instituted what we call the quality control lab. So currently, every medication that comes into Plateau State must be tested, and we must be sure of the quality before they're circulated into public health facilities. Again, we discovered a particular brand of, this one I'll mention the brand, I'll mention the name of the drug. A particular brand of paracetamol injection was in circulation with drops of lisinopril adulterating that injection. Lisinopril is an anti-hypertensive agent, and then we found it actually impregnated or contaminating the injection. Now, this and so many others are the reason why we need to sit up and come to terms with the reality. And so we have brought ourselves as an agency that will take the bullets as far as healthcare is concerned, and we are guaranteeing you that medications that will be circulating within the hospital facilities or health facilities will be medications that are of good quality, that are safe, that are effective, and importantly, that are very, very affordable. With the current pronouncement of the brand new United States President, I'm guaranteeing you that Nigeria is ready for the tax. We are ready to do what we can do to ensure that that is done. I'm telling you today that His Excellency has made commitment for local production, and the Plateau State Drugs and Medical Commodities Management Agency has swung into action, and we already have a couple of products manufactured locally here in Jos with our local raw materials. And for those who have seen them, you know very well that they are already affordable, and gradually we will keep going as the opportunity comes. Just before I sit down, I will tell you one very good news. In the year that just passed by, 2024, NAFDAC reported that Plateau State, along with other states, have recorded a drop in circulation of substandard medications by 63%. And that is why His Excellency has graciously paid keen attention to that particular agency, so that healthcare will be affordable, will be accessible, and more importantly, will make sense to everybody in Plateau. As I can always say, it may be me, maybe you, maybe my mother, maybe my beautiful wife, may just be anyone. What legacy do you have to keep when you occupy that position? Here we are to say, regardless of where you come from, regardless of who you are, trust us to give you the best as Plateau State Drugs and Medical Commodities Management Agency. Enjoy the moment. Thank you.